And now we have, and that has more to do with the kidneys, a sort of light streaming through our body, which in a way harmonizes, organizes processes. And the kidneys have a lot to do with the, what we call forces of Venus, yeah? Perception, givingness, earthliness, yeah? Connectedness with what's there, yeah? And now I would like to show you some aspects of the Venus gesture. In the course of time, we are going to combine it with colors in order to honor the different qualities of light, yeah, streaming through us on this level. And when we want to touch, yeah, how the Venus gesture can be experienced, then I invite you, first of all, to arrive at yourself. And now just keep the hands again in a little bit of distance of the body, which can even intensify the experience of presence. And then free your left arm. And please do it with the left arm. And just use the left arm to take up a connection with the earth down there. And use the right arm to keep a connection with yourself. Never get lost in what we are doing. And then really, yeah, maybe you stretch the hands a little bit, or you feel a little bit. Try to use it as a sense organ for what's down there. And then slowly, just, yeah, lift your arm and have the feeling you can in a way invite what's down there to follow you up there. Huh? And that's why I'm not just stretching my arm, I just let go again. But I have it a little bit bent, like a hollow form, which maybe even sucks a little bit what's down there. Come with me, yeah? So stay with yourself, connect with down there, and use your slightly bent arm to invite what's there and bring it up. And it's just trying, it's a bodily fantasy, you could say. Yeah? We are not making it up, but we try to use our body perception as if there would move something, and this makes things happen. And you can even intensify this imagination as if something even comes from down there, carrying your arm up. We try this 2 times, perhaps. So stay with yourself. Don't lose your uprightness. And then just connect with what's down there. And you invite it to come, and then, yes, I try to create a mood, something is carrying my arm. And if it doesn't work, in my case now it didn't really work, I just continue. As long as I know I'm imitating it, I'm cheating a little bit, it's okay, and suddenly it can come. Yeah, don't hesitate to support what you try to by your activity. And then, but look for the moment it has been waiting to do. Yes, something comes up. And you are completely passive. And then I turn around, turn the hands a little bit, that the palms of the hand look towards behind, and then actively go behind. Be interested, what's behind? Penetrate this space. Wow. And then just let go. And also what has been carrying you up is passive also. You too let go. One more time. Yeah, you are passive. And the energy from down there is actively carrying your arm up. You are active, pushing your hands behind, having interest. What's going on down there? Then turn your hands towards below and carefully let go. And also the energy which carried you slowly lets go. One more time, these 3 qualities. Passive, active, double passive. And when you let go, can you feel how your body grows? That the last movement, actually letting go, creates this energy. Great. Breathe. Bring both hands in front of your chest. And now free your right hand. Put this one on the outside. And use your left hand to stay with yourself and not to get lost in what you do. To begin with, we still do it with both hands, but afterwards we use only one hand and just from the heart open up in a loving gesture, like creating a bowl with your hands. Yeah? A bowl which brings something lovingly to the people. Here you have it, take it. Yeah? So it's not just creating a bowl, it's also really offering what's in there. But we don't want to get lost in this offering, so keep your left hand to your heart. But still use your heart forces to create through the upper arm, through the lower arm, through the hands, a gesture which really gives and invites others to take. But don't forget your left arm. You're not running out of energy. You're just giving what's there because you're so rich. And then return. And we can practice later on. That's not just a giving, but also a receiving in it. But for today, we just practice the giving side. But there will come the receiving too. So be with yourself. Use your heart forces to really stream out. Have this giving and stay with yourself. And also here, wait for a moment that you have the feeling, I grow inwardly. How much have I to bring it back, my gesture? I was too far out. That this inner growth is really filled from within. And that my breath reacts in a positive way, not in a being pulled out way. Return to your center, let go. And to finish, and then we again sit down and listen just to what this simple exercise did to us. Just have for a moment this connection to the earth with the left arm. And we do not do the movement for today. That's not necessary. But just have this, the left arm, the connection down there. And the right arm is in front of the heart. And then feel how this connection down there strengthens your heart. And then with this strength which you receive from your connection to the earth, you open up. Your heart anchored and enriched and fulfilled from the earth. The heart streaming through the arms out and receiving. And just return to your center. And one last time is, I invite you not to, which would not be wrong, use your soul forces to carry your hands out directly, but use your heart forces to go through your upper arm, through your lower arm, through your hands, to bring it. through your body, because your body knows what you are able to give, yeah, and takes the energies which are needed along with it. Yeah. Okay, one last time. I stand diagonally. You might see it a little bit better then. I'm here in my heart. I connect first. I connect with down there. Then I allow my field to be nourished in the heart. And then I go through the body, through the upper arm, lower arm. And I'm not get lost in my center. I still feel my center, the connection to the earth, and I feel myself growing within those two ways of connectedness. Just let it, being sensed for a while. Return to your center. And again, breathe, let go. And carefully move to where you take a seat, not to lose what you have just built up. Sit down for a moment. And have a look how what we have been doing is doing in you. How would you describe the difference of your both arms now? Everything is okay, just allow it to enter your consciousness and to color it, to enrich it. And when you look at your shoulder girdle on the left side and on the right side, what's the difference there? And even more, how do they look at each other? Are they a little bit looking irritated, like in my case, or do they just swing harmoniously with each other? How do they interrelate? And if you would have to give your lungs an imaginary shape, like a ball or a cube, or what kind of shape would you say your lungs have at the moment? A sense shape, not the real shape. And how much do you enjoy your breathing? And how much does the breathing enjoy itself? Things like that you can look at. Also, many different things. Feel free.